Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning this language great way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you so many things. Why I'm saying so many things? Because recently I visited Kumbh Mela, so I want to share with you people my experience as well as something related to English also, that how you can speak this language fast way and very fluently. So before I start this video, I want to share with you one small story. See, when I came here today, and usually I make my video by standing, I try to record my video by standing, but today I was doing the same activity, right? I was standing and creating my video. I was so much focused. I didn't care that who is behind me. So I saw a lot of ladies standing on that road watching me very carefully, that what that girl is doing. Okay, so when I tried, so I couldn't make my video in one trial. Okay, so then I started watching towards them. Then I saw, and I thought, oh my god, if they keep watching me. See, first of all, I don't write anywhere that what I'm going to speak. Okay, it just come in my mind. Okay, and that's what I speak. And moreover, if someone start gazing me or watching me, that time I get little distracted sometime, because I'm not so much experienced in making my videos, right? That time it happens. But I think if we are very much focused, that time nothing can disturb us, right? So what did I do when I saw that ladies were watching me? Then simply I just sat here and started recording. So I want to share with you my experience related to Kumbh Mela. So as we already know, that is overcrowded place. I visited on 20 February. I went there and then I took a bath in Ganga river. And I'm so happy. Moreover, what did I do? See, in my life, first time I saw camel over there. And I went along with my family member. So what did they tell me? They told me, Anita, just try to sit on camel and we'll take picture. Then for a moment I thought, what is this? For taking a picture or shooting a video, I think it's not good to sit on any animal. Really, I don't know, but this is my inner feeling. Okay, I don't want to bother any animal. Okay, in my childhood I think I bothered, but now I don't. So they told me, they insisted me, even I didn't. So I will put that video here. I will add also. So when I saw, I was very happy seeing that camel, and I went very near to that camel also, and I took picture only, but I didn't sit on that camel. Why? Because I don't want to bother any animal. Okay, so that was I experience about that camel. And yeah, other than that one, I would say that I first time visited there. So really it is amazing feeling. Now also, till now I feel very good. Okay, and many people they say like this, okay, if we go and bathe in Ganga river, so it doesn't mean that our sin will wash out. To be honest, I don't know whether our sin will wash out or not, but what if a large number of people, even I think world largest gathering was there, and people from all walks of life were there, right? So why not going and having experience? Why that much of people are going, right? So I went there and really I have amazing feeling. But I don't want to go against of anyone. If you believe, believe. If you don't believe, don't believe, right? Because everyone has their choice. So what I felt, I did. So if in our life, what we think, we don't have to insist someone, do this one, do that one. Whatever is good for us, we should try to do. Other than that one, my friend, what I want to share with you, see, if we want to learn anything, especially any language, that time we should not try to confine ourselves that I am going to practice only for 15 minutes, for 10 minutes or 1 hour. If you do, you are going to take a lot of time. You are going to become a fluent speaker after 1 year, 2 year. There is no certain time also. So what you need to do, if you want to become a fluent speaker in short period of time, you should try to explain things. Okay, wherever you go, whatever you do, try to keep your eyes open for learning things. Okay, whatever we know, that's okay, but what about other things, right? Coming to this language and anything, I would say that knowledgeable things also, because every people, they have unique mind. So when I went there, more than thinking and doing these kinds of activity, just like recording and all, I focused on people behavior, how they are behaving. For I went there, I did that work, just like I'm satisfied. Okay, so in your case also, what happened in our life, my friend, I would say that most of the time we don't try to listen other people. When it comes to communicating with someone, we don't let that person talk. It's our fault, I think, because let's suppose I read a book, okay, and after reading, I share with my friend. So they also read book and they are also going to share with me. What if I don't give them chance? So it means that whatever I know, that is going to revise again and again, right? But what if I listen them? I think I can learn so many things from them. So this mistake also we do while communicating. So we should not try to do, and we should try to explain things wherever we go, whatever we do. Okay, let's once again come on the Kumbh Mela. I hope you people know better than me. So let me share whatever I know about Kumbh Mela. And I know that whatever I know, all things I can't explain. But see, I've heard one story that God and devil, they were churning the sea. Okay, so after 12 years of churning that sea, a lot of ratna started coming out. Okay, so out of all ratna, there was one kalash which is called kumbh. Okay, so in that kumbh there was nectar, and for that devil and God started fighting. So Lord Vishnu, he disguised in in the form of Mohini and took the nectar somehow and started running. When Lord Vishnu, taking the kalash which was full of nectar, started running, so it spilled on 4 places: Nasik, Ujjain, and Haridwar and Prayagraj. So since then people, they started celebrating Kumbh Mela. Okay, when it comes to Prayagraj, I really don't have a lot of idea. So in Prayagraj, people, they celebrate Kumbh Mela. There are many kinds of Kumbh Mela. So first one is Pur Kumbh Mela, which is celebrated once in a 12 year, and Ardh Kumbh Mela, which is celebrated in 6 year, once in a 6 year. So this is how people, they celebrate. Okay, and apart from that, I've heard that on that auspicious day, some astrological things also happen. And other thing also I've heard that on that day, moon and sun and Jupiter, something also happened between them, which make Ganga river pure. So in that case, if we bathe in Ganga river, so we get a kind of energy, and little bit spiritual related things also happen. So this is what I have heard, and I don't want everyone should follow these things, and they can get some other story also behind this one. Okay, so I'm not able to explain it very nicely, but I hope my viewer, they can explain it. And this is what we should try. At least we should not try to explain things very perfect way, but however we can, we should try. And that's how, by making mistake, by making multiple of mistakes, we are going to learn, right? So you are also allowed to make a lot of mistakes and learn from your mistake. Whatever comes in front of you, try to explain. How did I explain? Did I prepare? No. I had watched, I had heard these things. So in your case also, if you prepare, that is also okay. If not, no problem. Try to explain things and then know whether you are able to explain right way or not. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you people like my video. If you, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.